Hi, I'm Mitch Berzon, a personal injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing here in Long Island. Today I'd like to talk to you about ways in which you can protect yourself and your family members when they're in the hospital or other medical facility for an overnight stay. Please join me for the next few minutes for some information that can help you stay healthy, happy, and productive. Hospital-acquired infections or healthcare-acquired infections are a major problem for medical institutions, medical professionals, and most especially for medical patients throughout the state of New York and throughout the country. Though new laws were passed just this year that aim to offer greater protection to New York citizens, these laws really only work to hold medical professionals and institutions accountable after an infection has already occurred. No law can actually help to directly prevent a hospital or healthcare acquired infection from hurting you or a loved one. The only thing that can prevent the spread of infection is the use of proper sanitation devices for all surfaces, tools, and personnel you and your family member might come into contact with. The law spells out exactly what sanitation procedures are required and provides penalties for failing to follow those procedures, but it's still up to every individual working in the hospital to make sure an infection doesn't spread. So what can you do to prevent a hospital-acquired infection? Talk to the nurses and other staff providing care and make sure the equipment they're using has been properly sanitized. Make it a point to wash your hands regularly and mention your concerns regarding hospital-acquired infections to the staff. Do not be intimidated or made to feel guilty for mentioning your worries in this regard. Though many medical professionals and institutions are very careful when it comes to preventing the spread of infection, it's still a very real problem and can lead to a permanent debilitation and death. If you see a situation that doesn't seem appropriate to you, such as a nurse or other medical professional touching one patient, then moving on to shared equipment or to another patient without a thorough hand washing first, say something. Talk to the nurse, and if you need to, talk to the supervisor. Make it very clear that you expect all laws and regulations regarding sanitation to be maintained, no matter how much of a nuisance you think you're causing. Again, your health and safety, and the health and safety of your family members, should be your number one concern, and ought to be the number one concern of medical professionals as well. If you might have already contracted a hospital or healthcare acquired infection, make an appointment with another doctor or medical institution immediately. Then, call an experienced Long Island medical malpractice attorney with a track record of successfully handling cases involving hospital-acquired infections. You can call our office at 631-265-6300 anytime. You can visit our website at bsb-lawyers.com. We help people like you every day. That's why we're here. Again, I'm Mitch Berzon of the Berzon Law Group. Thanks for listening.